Hey everyone, today I'm showing you a unique way to leverage AI to potentially make significant money online. The generative AI industry is booming, projected to reach $1.3 trillion by 2032. It's like getting into YouTube early vast potential with little competition. First, let's find some affiliate programs. Head to capterra.com and search for AI software. Here are a few options. WriteSonic.com creates content like videos, articles, and ads. AdCreative.ai makes marketing materials. ManyChat.com automates social media messaging. These offer recurring commissions for every referral you make. Now, the magic happens. We'll repurpose viral YouTube videos about AI tools into bite-sized content for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Here's the key tool. Opus.1. Paste a YouTube video link and it generates tons of short clips perfect for social media. Creating content and converting viewers. Now you'll want to set up social media pages for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. It's important to post at least one repurposed clip daily for, let's say 30 to 100 days. And hey, don't forget to include a call to action in your captions. Comment AI for these AI tools. The conversion funnel. When viewers comment AI, it shows interest. Here's how to convert them. You can set up automated messages with ManyChat to send affiliate links directly to interested viewers on Instagram. Manually send a message with your affiliate link for other platforms. Remember, apply for the affiliate program of the specific AI tool the viewer asks about. Recap. This strategy combines repurposed viral content, AI tools, and affiliate marketing to target a booming industry. By consistently creating content and engaging with viewers, you can potentially generate significant recurring income. Call to action. Like this video and subscribe for more. Comment your favorite inspirational quote below, and I'll reply with a link to my free AI training playlist. Thanks for watching. See you next video.